Alright everyone, so this was on the inner side of the oil pan. Got most of the oil out so we can see. Got metal fragments, bits of rock, bits of random dirt grit, some old sealant which is blue even though I'm not using any blue coloured sealant in the engine. So yeah, always good to clean these things out from time to time. And I suggest putting a big neodymium magnet on the underside just to keep everything from being picked up and put through the engine. Alright, cheers, bye. So now I'm under the car, about to use the nylon brush on all this surface here to get it nice and clean. Let's see how this one turns out. Alright, so what I've done is traced out the original gasket, put traces of the holes in there, got a 6mm wad punch to punch through using sledgehammer on a solid bit of wood here. Cool. So cutting it out, I've put this hole here on the inside so that way I can get the scissors in and start cutting around, and I'll probably put another one up there on the edges to make it easier and I don't have to turn and risk kinking the gasket. Tricky corner. Instead of risking kinking, I use the punch to go round. Time to clean the bolts.